You've probably found yourself wondering, what's really going on with my child? How can I help them move forward? You followed the recommendations, you've worked with professionals, and while some things have helped, it still feels like you're missing the full picture. You've been given labels, attention issues, dyslexia, anxiety, developmental delays. But those labels don't always explain why your child is struggling in the first place. Hi, I'm Dr. Laura Hanson, and on my podcast, Connect My Child's Brain, I help you understand what's really going on beneath those patterns. Because these patterns don't just appear overnight. They develop over time, often long before anyone connects the dots. From pregnancy to birth to development, to what's happening in their brain and body today. When you start connecting the dots, things begin to make sense. In each episode, I break down complex concepts into simple, practical insights so you can better understand your child and what they truly need to move forward. If you're ready to understand what's been missed and start seeing your child's brain more clearly, this is where you begin. Follow Connect My Child's Brain to start seeing the patterns more clearly. And when you're ready, you can schedule a consultation at connectmybrain.com/schedule.